Hello, my name is Boris and I'm the head of product and training for Interstellar.
Hi everyone, my name is Nina and I'm a psychologist and a self-management expert in Switch to 11 studio.
Because more and more teams are distributed today, despite what we heard about the remote work trends, truth, practice and behaviors have never been so important to maintain enthusiasm and efficiency in the modern digital workplace.
In this 6-minute video, we'll explore key aspects of remote team management to help you build successful and cohesive teams. Today, we'll focus on team roles, team goals, team duties, and of course, team dynamics. Are you ready?
Beyond roles, knowing who your teammates are is super critical. Because on remote, you can't feel how your colleagues are on the daily. Having a regular mood status checking is really super important. You can use any kind of icebreaker or activities to regularly share your mood, a funny fact about you, or a nickname to create a strong remote team culture. Remote or not, knowing who's who and who decides on what is the keystone on the agile and efficient collaboration. Mapping with transparency, skills, responsibility, and team routines in the same place is the best practice to ensure that anyone is at the page in the remote team. Keep in mind that encouraging informal check-in is also super important to maintain this coffee machine effect in your team. To conclude, on the team road, a digital workplace without tools and resources is nothing. Miro, Jira, Notion, Confluence, Asana, Trello, Monday.com, whatever. Take time to regularly check and challenge the team tools, ecosystem, and ensure to document them in a well-centralized place.
Every team needs clear goals, but purpose is even more important. So when you're establishing a team, create a vision using destination postcard technique. Imagine that your team's journey is like a road trip. So to start, you need a destination. And similarly, setting clear goals is like choosing your destination. After vision, make a mission statement. So what are you doing right now, for whom you are doing, and how do you contribute right now to the vision? Next, use objective key results or OKRs. So break the mission into actionable goals. Objectives are what you want to achieve, and key results are measurable milestones that you want them to get there. Make sure that you give the team autonomy on how they want to achieve their objectives. Otherwise, you're just using KPIs and not OKRs. So collaborate with the team's OKRs, ensure alignment with the mission and visual and individual roles. This helps everybody understand their role and contribution to the team's success and provides a clear roadmap.
The main reason why I love Kanban visual management so much is because we can easily put ideas and tasks together using tags, colors, and categories in the backlog to ensure that each job is related to team goals with a well-defined stakeholder to carry on, and as well, a milestone for each task. Taking more high, the user story map is a power tool that gathers your yearly DT with the team in a beautiful and effective roadmap. Keep moving with your backlog color and tag system. This roadmap can break down your team or project milestone in a transparent and asynchronous map that any teammate can access anywhere, anytime, on any device. Finally, keep going with your card system. You can easily extract all the key decisions in a matrix that will aggregate and structure agreements during the project lifespan, giving the team a non-regressive capacity when onboarding new people on your rocket, for example.
Okay, So let's deep dive into team dynamics. Team dynamics are the heart of a remote team success, and it all starts with psychological safety. So it's your job to create an environment where team members feel safe to share their ideas, to take risks, and to be vulnerable. That's crucial for fostering creativity and innovation. So being authentic without the fear of social exclusion is the first step towards creativity. Of course, what you need to do also is to encourage open and constructive feedback. Regular feedback sessions help team members grow, adapt, and of course improve their performance. Establish clear agreements with the team. These ground rules set expectations for behavior, communication, and collaboration, and they help prevent the misunderstandings and conflicts. And finally, address team's dysfunctions promptly. Address issues such as lack of trust or fear of conflict. These dysfunctions can derail the team's progress if they are left unattended.
To go further with your digital workplace, start defining your team ways of working and experimenting fast with the tablet presented here today. Then make it yours. Enlarge your experimentation practice with other teams in your organization and start to build the future, start to build the culture.
Thank you for joining me and Boris on this brief exploration of remote team management. Remember that building an effective remote team is an ongoing journey, and the key is to continuously nurture your team's goal and dynamics.